Okay, hello everyone. Today we're going to do a cash stuffing for this week. We are running a little bit behind because we did not plan well, but let's go ahead and count our cash. We should have 22 fives. So let me grab those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh, you know what? I used a 5 already for gas. Since I was running behind, I needed to pull that before I did my video because I was almost out completely. All right, we should have 12 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great. We should have 6 20s, but 5 because I pulled one for gas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3 50s. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have so many coins to put into my daughter's castle today because I played left, right, center, or whatever it's called over Thanksgiving. And so I got like $8 worth of quarters because I won a round. Woohoo. But we're just going to give this all to her. All right, she'll be happy with that. Okay, let's see what I saved in my wallet this week as far as spending. So in groceries, I still have 20, 35 out of the $80 that I allocated for dining out. Oh, I found these 2 Starbucks gift cards. So exciting. But for dining out, oh my goodness, I really want to get like a straight wallet so that these aren't folded all the time. But we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For gas, left over from last week, we had 23. I didn't even get gas last week, which is crazy. And Aria has a 10 left, so we're going to set this one aside for her. Okay, that one will be hers. This is our savings. Okay, so starting with stuffing our wallet, groceries is going to get 80. 50, 60, 70, 80. Dining out is going to get 40. So 2 20s. Gas we already spent. I literally just had to go get gas right before filming this. And Aria is getting 10. So that's our wallet stuffed. I feel like this is going to be a quick video because I have just had a busy day and I need to get some other stuff done. So cell phone is going to get 10. This has 20 now. Debt is getting 55. Oh, so let's see where we're at with this. 51, 152, 220, 225. Awesome. Okay, so we can color in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 200, and 20, and nothing for the 5 yet. That is great. I didn't realize we were already at 200 for this. So exciting. Hair is getting 30. And so this has 2, 4, 50, 60. Wonderful. Merry Money is getting 30. 20, 30. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1. Technically, I already spent this, so, but I'll pull it in my next cash unstuffing. So we really don't have that because it's spent. 2, 4, 6, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 105. Oh, awesome. Love that. And we're not going to change this because I'm going to pull out some of these bills for presents that I bought. Okay, so, but I'll do that in my next, at the end of this week when I do my cash and stuffing. Road trip is getting 10. This should put us at an even 100 in here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 91. Yeah, 100 for our road trip coming up. Transportation is getting 50. So we have 51, 110, 115. And that is due in April, our car insurance. Unfortunately, I didn't start saving until like just recently. Wellness is getting 10. I used all of this basically for, what was it? I guess medical bills. And subscriptions is getting 20. Oh yeah, 2 10s. Oh, I was supposed to give Arya 2 5s instead of a 10. So let me go back and fix that. Because that way, if we don't use very much of it, it's already split into 2 5s. Okay, so she's getting 2 5s in here. Okay, there we go. Okay, next we have, is this the right binder? No. I'm still getting used to like my new binder system. Is this it? No. Also no. This has got to be it. Okay, oh my goodness, my camera died. I feel like my phone is just at that point where it is not holding battery very well no matter what. So, where were we? We were doing sinking funds next. Okay, so most of these are getting $5. Car care is getting 5. Oops. So this one has 2, 4, 55. Oh my goodness. I am too tired to be doing this right now, but I got to do it. I'm already behind this week. Okay. Entertainment is getting 5 as well. So this one has 2, 4, 45, 50. That's a decent amount for entertainment. I'm happy with that. Furry Friends is getting skipped. Gift is getting 10. So we have 2, 35, $35 for gift. And I will need to pull from this because I already bought a gift. So household is getting 10, and that's all that it has. Miscellaneous, we're skipping. Medicine, we're skipping. Nails, we're skipping. Now we're in Arya's section. So her general envelope is getting 5. So that has 10, 15, 20 now. Beautiful. Back to school is getting 5. So this one has 15 now. Birthday. I'm going to put her $10 that we saved in here. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we can color in one of these little, actually 2 of these little hats. There we go. And then clothing is getting 5. So this has 20, 25, 30. College fund is getting 5. So that has 10, 25. And her school is getting 5, so that's a total of 15 in there. Not too shabby. Let's see what's next. Okay, I think this low priority binder is next here. Okay, we're skipping education. Electronics is getting 5. So that has a total of 15. Emergency fund is getting 5. So this one has 51, 120, 125. Investing is getting 5. So this has a total of 20 now. And we're going to color in another little leaf here. Oh my goodness, I am just so tired today. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the weather. It's cold. And I just want to be in my bed, snuggled up in my blankets. Oh, new home is getting 5. So this one has 10, 15, 20. And we're going to color in one of these doors. It's amazing how it adds up even when you only put in a little amount each week. It's a great feeling. Okay, so that's that binder, low priority. Man, I really don't like these. They were pretty cheap, but I just feel like they're so hard to open and deal with and handle. And anyways, okay, savings. Okay, we're skipping Beach Babe. Birthday is getting 5. Let me pull this out and see what we have. We have 5, 10, 15. So we'll color in one of these balloons. I guess I could have done all different colors on these, but I didn't really think about that until just now. So that's for my birthday, which is not for a while. Craft has 5, 10, 15. We're going to add a 5 to make that 20. So we accidentally colored in one of those last time, so we're good. We don't have to color anything because I made a mistake last time. So that has 20. I was so proud of myself too the other day. I went to Michael's and I didn't even buy anything because I didn't really see anything that like I really, really needed, but that was impressive because I usually buy all the things. Okay, so games has 5, 10, 15. I haven't really even had time to play video games recently. I've just been so busy with work and school and working on my Etsy shop and all that. So, okay, Glow Up has 10, 20, 25. And we can color in another one of these makeups. Let's do a red nail polish. I need to buy some foundation with this, but I just don't want to go do it. Okay, movies is getting 10. So I really like taking Aria to see new movies, especially kids movies that come out. Rainy Day is getting 5, and that's all that is in there. Style Stash is getting 5, and we don't have to color anything because it's not a 10, so that has 10, 25. Sports we're skipping. Travel is getting 5. So this one has 10, 15, 20. Okay, and for our New Year's saving scratch off challenge, we scratched off this 10. And I realized I did just make these holiday envelopes. So I'm going to save this money. This money was for New Year's, plus this additional 10 for this week in my new holiday binder. So let me put this one here for now. And we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. That's awesome. So these are the new holiday envelopes. I did post a video about these just to introduce them, but these are available in my Etsy store right now. Oh, I love the Thanksgiving one and the Christmas one. They're so cute. Okay, so we're going to put this in the New Year's Eve one. New Year's Eve. There we go. All right. So cute. Okay, so that was all of our planned for expenses. Now we have these left over. Let's see how much total we have of the leftover from our wallet. So we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 67. That's so fun. Okay, so now is the fun part where we get to decide where to put these things. And I think let's scratch off another one of these. If I can find a coin. Let's do this one. Okay, that's 31. So 20, 31. And we'll put this, add that to our New Year's envelope. Okay, with the rest of this, I think I want to, let me see. I think I just want to fill up some of these savings envelopes because these are like the fun categories, and that's what motivates me, I guess, is being able to fill these up. So I'm going to put a decent chunk in my craft corner because I have some business expenses coming up, and I don't really have a business envelope, but I know I'm going to need to buy like ink and laminating pouches and stuff like that. So I'm going to put I'm going to put 30 in here. So we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That'll give us a decent amount to work with. And then we can color in 3 of these. I have no patience for coloring these. Okay. So that's 30 in the craft corner. Oh my goodness, these binders. Get out of the way. Okay. So 30 in the craft corner. I mean 50 total, really. We just added 30 to it. Games. You know, I think I'm just going to put the rest of these ones in the rainy day fund. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, let's do that. I feel like this is kind of like my miscellaneous for spending fun stuff. Okay, so that takes care of that. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much to those of you who watched this video. It means so much to me. Like, comment, let me know what you guys have going on this week, and I will see you in the next one.